happy is the perfect word to describe how I feel. When I'm with you, I'm at ease. I can let down my hair. We can be silly together. I don't have to pretend. With you, I'm happy just being myself. In your company, I'm never